Blocked ears can affect your hearing, comfort, and even your confidence in conversations. If you've been experiencing muffled hearing, ringing sounds, or pressure inside your ears, impacted earwax could actually be the reason. In today's video, we're discussing how Hearing First Oxford helps patients improve hearing. Through professional microsuction earwax removal and expert hearing care services. Earwax is completely natural and helps protect the ears from bacteria, dust, and debris. But when excessive wax becomes trapped inside the ear canal, it can begin causing symptoms that interfere with everyday life. Many people still try to clean their ears themselves using cotton buds or home remedies. Unfortunately, this often pushes wax deeper into the ear canal and can make the blockage worse. That's why professional microsuction earwax removal has become one of the most trusted ear cleaning methods available today. At Hearing First Oxford, our microsuction treatment is carried out safely by qualified audiologists.